Namaste friends, my name is Kausalya Krishnamurthy. In the last few episodes, we've been using Vedic Mathematics Sutra and trying to learn to how to find out the squares of certain numbers. For example, numbers around 50, numbers around 100, then 500, 1000, 5000, 10,000, etc. We've also learned how to find the squares of bigger numbers, some special numbers like 33, 333, 3033, 1, double 1, triple 1, etc. So now in today's episode, we will learn how to find out the square of a number if we know the square of its adjacent number. For example, if we know a square of 45, we will learn how to find out the square of 44 or 46. What is the square of 45? We know by using a Vedic mathematic formula which is ekadhikena purvena. So here 4 into 5 is 20, and then since the number is ending with 5, the last two digit will be 25. So square of 45 will be 2025. If we know the square of the number 45, it will be easy for us to find out the square of its adjacent number, which are 44 and 46. So similarly, we will choose some more examples and learn how to take out the squares. Come, let's go. Let us see some examples and see how we can solve the squares of certain number. We know by using Yavadunam Tavaduni Kritya Vargam Cha Yojayet, by using this Vedic Mathematics Sutra, how to solve the square. Since this is a number close to 50, we will minus this number from 50 and find the difference, which is 6. Now, because the given number is lesser than 50, we will minus 6 from 44, which will be 38. Now, find half of 38, which will be 19. So, now we will write 19 and then square of this number, which is 6. 6 6 are 36. So 44 square is 1936. But there is also another technique by which we can find out the square of this number, provided we know a square of this number's adjacent numbers square. So if we know 45 square, what is 45 square? 2025. Now because we know this particular square, it is easy to find out the square of either 44 square or 46 square. Let us learn this technique today. Let us see what is the technique that we are going to use here. We all know that a square minus b square will be equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now, if a and b are adjacent numbers, then a minus b will be 1. So, a square minus b square will be equal to a plus b. So, now what will be a square? A square will be equal to b square, because we shifted minus b square this side, this becomes positive b square, then plus a plus b. Now, this is the formula that we are going to use. Now, let us consider a is 46, b is 45. We know the square of this number, which will be 2025. Now, let us find the square of this number 46 square. So, what is the formula? A square is equal to, which means 46 square is equal to b square, which is 45 square. So, you can straight away write this 2025 plus a plus b, plus a plus b is 46 plus 45. So 46 square is equal to 2025 plus 46 plus 45 is how much? 91. So this will be 6. So 46 square is equal to 2116. Because we know the square of 45, it is easy to find out the square of its adjacent number, which is 46 and 44. Now we found the square of 46. Let us now find out the square of 44. Here let's consider A as 45 and B as 44. Here we found A square. What will be B square? It will be A square minus A plus B. So let us apply this. So this will be B square is equal to, which is 44 square, is equal to A square, which is 45 square, minus A plus B, 45 plus 44. So this will be 44 square is equal to 2025 minus 89. So it will be 1936. So if you see here, using a different method, we got the 44 square as 1936. Using a different method again, we got 44 square as 1936. This can save a lot of time for us. Now let us take a similar method and then different number and then find out square. So what is the formula? A square is equal to B square plus A plus B, and then B square is equal to A square minus A plus B. Now we know 80 square. What is it? It will be 6400. Let us try to find out the square of its adjacent numbers, which will be 81 square and 79 square. Here 81 square we are trying to find out. So that will be equal to 80 square, which is 6400 plus A plus B plus 80 plus 81. So 81 square is equal to 6400 plus 161. Now 81 square will be equal to 6561. Now let us try to find out the square of 79. So 79 square will be equal to 80 square minus 79 plus 80. So this will be equal to, what is 80 square? 6400, then minus, so 159. Now if you remove 159 from 6400, it is 6241. So friends, it is so easy to find out the square of a number if you know the square of its adjacent number. If it is a greater number, then add the sum. If it is a greater number, then add the sum. If it is a lesser number, then subtract the sum. So easy, isn't it? Mathematics is very beautiful if you understand the techniques. So friends, that's how square of a certain number is found if we know its adjacent number's square. Very interesting, isn't it? In today's episode, we've also seen the logic behind it. A square minus B square will be A plus B into A minus B. Because these two numbers are adjacent to each other, A minus B will be 1. So friends, I hope you all like this video. Please do hit the like button. And if you have any comments, please do write it on the comment section. We will revert to you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will come back to you with more interesting such techniques and Vedic Mathematics Sutra. Until then, keep watching us. Thank you.